In this video, we are going to see a quick solution on how you can fix or remove the yellow triangle or exclamation mark sign if you get this on any drive like C drive, D drive, or whatever drive you're getting this exclamation mark. Let's see how we can resolve this. So what we can do, guys, is just open up the start menu and right here CMD. Make sure you right click and click on run as administrator. Click yes for the system prompt. And let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. And you basically copy and paste this command that you will get with the description of this video. And what you have to do is whatever drive letter you are having problem in, let's say D drive or E drive, you just replace the letter with that letter. And in my case, basically the BitLocker was not turned on. So because of that, you normally see that error. So that is basically to turn this off. If the BitLocker drive encryption is enabled, you get that error. So this command will work for you to turn that off. And after that, you should be able to see it without an exclamation mark. If not, let's say you check running that command and it doesn't work. Maybe you just need to refresh this and then it should work for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.